Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are looking at a couple prospects that I've had sitting around the fish tank for a while that I want to do for a special holiday build. First off, I am recording this over Thanksgiving, so if you're watching this sooner than later, happy Thanksgiving, happy Merry Christmas. So, what my plan is today is to figure out what car I'm going to build for our Christmas special this year. And the kicker is, whatever car gets picked will be built for the Christmas special and also given away. So I need your guys' help to A, pick out a car by commenting it in the comments below, and B, telling me how you would want it. Give me ideas. Rat rod, lowrider, Christmas theme, rusty, whatever you guys are thinking. Let me know down in the comments, and let me know what car you would want. The video will come out on December 20th, and the drawing video will be on Christmas. Again, I'm going to post the video for the build on December 20th, and I'm going to post the winner in video on December 25th. You will have one day to claim your car, 24 hours, and I will send it to you right away. Okay, guys, so if you guys completely understand, we got a couple of cars here. We got a 57 Chevy Matchbox with the hood that comes up. That's a cool option. I've had some gasser ideas for this, so that might be an option. We can do a Christmas Santa tow truck, maybe. Depends on what you guys want to see. We could do a Christmas-themed sleigh Tesla Cybertruck. I thought that could be kind of cool. Maybe we can do like a red line red on that. That could look kind of sick. Maybe we even put the red line rims on that and use these rims for something else. That's a possible idea. And then finally, we got the Shaggin' Wagon. And if you guys know, Christmas is about family, and what better to drive your family around in than a freaking Nova's Shaggin' Wagon. Alright, guys, if you guys have a minute, please take the time to let me know what car you would like to see for the Christmas build, and also let me know what kind of build you want me to do. Alright, guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. I hope you guys can help me and give me some ideas and let me know what car you guys want to see. If so, like I said, we're doing a giveaway, and with that giveaway, I'm also going to provide some new castings, some cars, some stickers, some other fun stuff. Also, final thing, if I owe you a box, and I know a couple of you I do owe a box for, I do apologize. I am going to send those out, actually, very, very soon, so look out for those, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for stopping by the fish tank, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.